Roof gutter de-icing rules in Ontario fall under Section 62 of the Canadian Electrical Code, CSAC 22-124, as adopted and amended for the Ontario Electrical Safety Code, OESC, 29th edition. Roof and gutter de-icing systems use fixed electric heating cables to prevent ice dams, icicles, and blockages by melting snow, ice on roofs, eaves, gutters, and downspouts. These are classified as fixed surface heating systems for snow, ice melting. Section 62 is supplementary, amendatory, and covers fixed electric heating systems, including surface heating for roofs. Cables, mats, must be securely fastened to prevent movement, damage. Zigzag or serpentine layout on roof edges, overhangs, to create melt paths. Extend into gutters, downspouts. Protect from mechanical damage. Suitable for exposed wet areas. Follow manufacturer instructions for spacing, wattage, and roof material compatibility. Adjusted grouping limits, dedicated or grouped per demand factors. Demand factors permits reduced demand above certain kW loads for heating systems. Temperature, moisture sensors, or automatic controls recommended to activate only when needed. Equipment grounding conductor required. GFCI protection often mandated for personnel safety in wet, exposed locations. Warning labels required to indicate electric de-icing equipment presence. Separation from other wiring. No splices unless approved. Field modifications limited. Installation must be performed by a licensed electrical contractor. Notification to Electrical Safety Authority (ESA) required for inspection and connection authorization. Recent sources show minor Section 62 tweaks, but nothing unique to roof gutter systems. Follow CSAC 22.2 No. 134 certified equipment. Self-regulating cables are common and approved for wet roof use. Calculate cable length, roof edge length times zigzag factor, plus gutter, downspout lengths. Use heat-conductive attachments on metal surfaces. Avoid direct contact with combustible materials. Circuit sized per cable rating, startup current. Test insulation resistance before, after installation. For exact rule wording, refer to your full CSAC 22-124 PDF or the OESC 29th edition. If installing in Toronto, Ontario, consult ESA directly or a licensed contractor for site-specific approval.